Ever feel like you're constantly hustling, juggling a million things at once? Running a business definitely throws that feeling your way sometimes, right? You've got clients to manage, invoices to chase, marketing to strategize, your team to keep motivated, the list goes on and on. And let's not forget the financial side of things. Keeping track of expenses, managing cash flow, making sure you get paid on time, it can all feel like a chaotic juggling act. But what if there was a way to simplify that whole process? A tool that could help you streamline your finances, free up some time, and maybe even let you ditch the unicycle for a while? Well, hold on to your metaphorical juggling pins, because that's exactly what the Tide business card is all about. Now, before you start picturing a sudsy calling card, this Tide is all about keeping your business finances afloat, not your laundry fresh. Explain what Tide business card is. So, what exactly is a Tide business card? In a nutshell, it's a debit card connected to a free business checking account. Now, that might not sound revolutionary at first glance, but here's the thing. Tide packs in a ton of features specifically designed to make life easier for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Highlight key features, break down each point. First up, convenience. You can open your Tide account entirely online, no need to waste time waiting in line at a bank. Once you're set up, the Tide business card acts just like any other debit card, so you can make purchases and manage your business expenses with ease. But here's where Tide goes a step further, built-in expense tracking. No more digging through receipts or struggling to remember where that office supply purchase came from. Every transaction made with your Tide card is automatically categorized, giving you a clear picture of where your money's going. Speaking of money, Tide makes it easy to get paid. You can generate custom invoices directly through the app and send them to clients with a single click. Plus, Tide integrates with popular accounting software, so you can streamline your bookkeeping and save even more time. And because every entrepreneur knows cash flow is king, Tide offers instant cash advances. Need a little extra to cover an unexpected expense or bridge a gap between invoices? No problem. With Tide, you can access your funds quickly and conveniently. Security and fees. Now, security is always a concern, especially when it comes to your business finances. Tide uses industry-standard security measures to keep your money safe. Plus, you get free ATM withdrawals at a network of ATMs, which can be a lifesaver when you're on the go. Of course, there's always the question of fees. Here's the good news. Tide's basic plan comes with no monthly fees. There are some small transaction fees to consider, but they're transparent and competitive. Plus, with the time and hassle Tide saves you, those fees likely pale in comparison. So, there you have it. The Tide business card isn't just a fancy piece of plastic, it's a powerful tool designed to help you take control of your business finances. From easy expense tracking to seamless invoicing and instant cash advances, Tide can simplify your financial life and free up your time to focus on what really matters, growing your business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, the Tide business card is definitely worth checking out. It might not make juggling flaming chainsaws any easier, but when it comes to managing your business finances, it could be just the game changer you've been waiting for. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.